This is Snack POS, and it's the best all-in-one point-of-sale system because it has all of the components in one system. It has both of the screens, and it also has a printer on the bottom of the point-of-sale system itself, so you don't have to go out and buy a separate printer for your point-of-sale system. It's all packaged in one unit. The main reason why this point-of-sale system is different than all of the other point-of-sale systems out there is because it can actually take a SIM card. Now, a lot of the other point-of-sale systems cannot take a SIM card, but this one can. So that SIM card can be powered by AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, whatever carrier that is best for your area. This thing can take, and it can basically run like it's on a cell phone signal. And that's really good, especially if you own a food truck or plan on doing some sort of mobile event. This point of sale system is basically like all the other point of sale systems out there. It can take orders, you can open tabs, you can do tables if you're a full service restaurant. The main difference is you can save a lot of money in credit card processing fees. And let me give you an example. So when you go to checkout, there's two prices available. There's a cash price and there's a card price. And the main reason why we do this is because you are now giving your customer the option to pay for the credit card processing fee, so that way you don't have to pay for it out of pocket. If your business does $30,000 per month in sales, typically with a Square or like a Clover point of sale system, you're going to be paying close to $1,000 per month. So that means that at the end of the month, the money that's hitting your bank account is only $29,000 instead of $30,000 because you're paying the credit card processing company $1,000. But with this point of sale system right here, you can actually take that $1,000 per month processing bill and you can bring it down all the way to a flat rate fee. And that fee is going to range anywhere from, say, $50 per month all the way to about $150 per month. It just depends on how much hardware you need. Meaning, if your business does $30,000 per month with a snack point of sale system and your monthly bill is only $150 per month, that means at the end of the month, the money that's hitting your bank account would be $29,850, which would be $850 more than if you were to use a Square or like a Clover point of sale system. All right, so then when we go to check out our customer, we can either hit the cash button or we can hit the card button. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and hit the cash button. Now the drawer is going to automatically open. Then we can give our customer some change and our receipt printer is going to print out. And you can actually give your customer a copy if you choose to. And that can either be a printed copy, email copy, or text. And if they choose the email or the text option, that's good for you because you can now collect your customer's information. That way you can market to them at a later date with promotions or discounts, something to get your customer back in the door to drive more revenue. And if your customer pays with a card, your customer does have the option of leaving a tip right there on the screen. This point of sale system also comes with online ordering as well as a website. So when somebody goes onto your website, right, they can go and click order now, and they can click on either pickup or delivery. And this system is automatically connected with your point of sale system. So somebody orders online and then automatically sends that order right here in your point of sale system. And Snack POS also integrates with Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, Postmates, Chow Now, which is very important because if you guys don't know about Chow Now lets your customers do online orders at a very steep discount compared to Uber Eats and DoorDash. So a lot of customers use it because they can save a lot of money. And then of course, if your restaurant takes reservations, they can do it right here on the website, and that's going to pop up right here on your point of sale system as well. This is what the online reporting is going to look like. So as you can see, it's broken down by day, yesterday, this week, this month. And you can also filter up here at the top. It's going to tell you what your gross sales are for the day, your net sales, your tips, your taxes, refunds, loyalty rewards. It's going to tell you all of the information that you need to know to monitor your business. It also will break it down by hourly. Around 5 o'clock today, there was $346 worth of sales. We can tell that 5 o'clock is a very busy time. So we're going to have to schedule more staff to be at the restaurant at those specific times. It's also going to break it down between cash payments, gift card payments, and credit card payments. And then you can also see discounts given, the number of guests that came into your restaurant. So you're going to know if, did 20 guests come into my restaurant? How many of those 20 guests actually paid with card? How many paid with cash? How many paid with their gift cards? You can also see what items are selling the best. Are you selling more burgers? Are you selling more pizzas? So this way, you know which items to promote to get more customers back into the door. You can also set up your employees within this backend. For example, this employee right here, we actually, instead of giving him an admin role, we just want to give him a staff role. So that way he doesn't have access to any of the reporting. So he doesn't know how much money we actually brought in for the week. The only thing that he can really do is just take orders. We can also plug in his hourly rate right here. So that way the system can automatically calculate how much money he's getting paid. He actually has a 4-digit login when he actually goes to log into the point of sale system. For example, this manager right here worked 43 hours and 5 minutes, and his total wage is going to be $516.98. So at the end of the week, we just cut him that check, and then, there's no questions there. We can also track our customers to see how much money our customers have spent in the lifetime that they've shopped with us. And we can also see their loyalty points. And if we wanted to, we can plug in a birthday here. So that way we can send them free things on their birthday so they can keep shopping with us. So then on the menu side, you can go in and you can add new items. You can add modifiers, different types of categories. But the easiest way to actually get your point of sale system up and running is take a photo of your menu. And when you actually send it to Snack POS, the tech team will look at the photo that you sent them, and they're actually going to take that information, they're going to plug it in the back end, and they're going to ship you this point of sale system with the menu pre-built. So that way all you have to do is plug it in and you're good to go. And then right here is where you go to actually edit your website. So if you have to change your hours or you have to put your social media, banner details, you want to change pictures, you can do everything to edit the website right here in the back end. And if you're a sit-down restaurant, you can actually arrange your tables so that way you have an indoor seating and outdoor seating. Maybe you have a bar. You can do that here on the back end as well. So all you would have to do is, add a couple tables and then move it around to change your floor plan. You can also add happy hour specials, or if you do like a Monday special, Tuesday special, whatever it is at a specific time, you can do that right here. So if you have, say you have a taco stand, you do Taco Tuesdays, you do 10% off on tacos or something like that, you can do that right here on the back end. So that way the system automatically knows to give a discount during those specific hours. This is where you can actually do invoices. So say you have a customer that comes in and they want to do a corporate party for 200 people. You can actually bill them for those 200 people. All you would have to do is go in here, plug in their information, and you can also set the frequency as well. So say your customer wants to do a corporate party like this every single month. You can actually set them up on a recurring billing so that way they're billed every single month for that event. You can also send out that invoice by email or text message. Now, as far as the hardware goes, if you guys want this point of sale system right here without the customer facing display, that's going to come in at around $850. And then also keep in mind that you still need a card reader. Now that card reader is going to come in at $385. And then if you need a cash drawer, that's going to be $130. Now you can always get the cash drawer from, say, an Amazon or something like that. And those typically are going to run you like $50. But if you want the point of sale system that has both screens on it, that's going to be a little more expensive. Now that runs from anywhere from $1,050 to $1,250. It just depends on, do you want the 10-inch screen or do you want the 15-inch screen for the customer facing display? And if your business needs a kitchen printer, that's going to be $350 as well. You can either pay for all of the hardware up front, so say $1,500 up front, you do a one-time payment and you have no monthly hardware fees, or you can finance the hardware at $99 per month until the system is paid off. So say $99 for the first 15, 16 months. And then once the system is paid off, you own the equipment. So if you, God forbid, you go out of business or you decide to cancel it all, if you own the hardware, you can resell the hardware. All right, so that's the hardware fees. Now for the software fees, those typically run at $59 per month per terminal, so per point of sale system. If you need a second point of sale system, that runs at $29 per month. So if you need 2 point of sale systems, that's $59 per month plus $29 per month. That's $88 per month that you would pay if you need 2 point of sale systems. However, if you need Uber Eats, DoorDash, or any of those other delivery services that's not in-house, that is going to run you an extra $89 per month. And not all businesses need this, so that's why they make it optional. But remember that with this point of sale system, you're going to save all that money in the processing fees. So with, remember, like a Square or Clover, you're going to pay about $1,000 per month. With this, you're only going to pay that, $150 per month, because your customer can pay for the credit card processing fees instead of you, and that's going to save you all that money per month. So if you guys want the Snack point of sale system, go ahead and click on the link down in the description below, because I can actually get you guys a little bit of a discount if you use my link. So click on that link down below, and I'll see you guys over there. Peace.